6 powerful morning drinks to help control diabetes. Do you or someone dear to you struggle with diabetes? You're not alone. More than 500 million adults face this worldwide. Diabetes isn't just about controlling sugar. If ignored, it can lead to serious complications like nerve and kidney damage, vision problems, and muscle weakness. Often, it goes unnoticed, quietly causing harm. That's why early and natural precautions are so vital. Simple lifestyle changes that regulate blood sugar can make a big difference. Today, let's explore 6 fantastic morning drinks for managing diabetes. These drinks aren't just tasty, they're packed with ingredients that help control blood sugar and tackle diabetes complications. 1. Green tea. Green tea has long been celebrated for its extraordinary health benefits and is one of the top choices for managing diabetes effectively. It's loaded with powerful antioxidants known as catechins, which play a key role in enhancing insulin sensitivity. When your body uses insulin more efficiently, it significantly helps in staving off type 2 diabetes and avoiding complications that can arise. Regularly sipping on green tea can lead to a noticeable reduction in fasting blood sugar levels, as well as an improvement in glucose metabolism, making it a staple in diabetes management. For young people, including children and teenagers dealing with diabetes, the benefits of green tea are equally impressive. It helps keep blood sugar levels stable during the important years of growth and development. Beyond that, green tea is great for gut health. It fosters a balanced microbiome, which in turn boosts insulin sensitivity and aids in maintaining better blood sugar control. This is crucial because a healthy gut is often linked to improved overall metabolic health. Green tea doesn't stop there. It also offers anti-inflammatory benefits that are essential for heart health. This is particularly important for those with diabetes, who face a higher risk of cardiovascular diseases. Green tea assists in lowering LDL cholesterol, encourages healthier blood circulation, and helps reduce high blood pressure, acting as a protective shield for your heart. To make the best use of green tea, simply steep high-quality loose leaves or tea bags in water heated to between 160 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, 70 to 80 degrees Celsius, for about 2 to 3 minutes. Enjoy 2 to 3 cups daily, ideally without any sweeteners to get the maximum benefit. If you prefer a little twist, add a splash of lemon juice. It not only enhances the flavor but also adds extra health perks. By incorporating green tea into your daily routine, you're not just indulging in a soothing beverage, you're making a powerful choice for your overall health and well-being. 2. Cinnamon-infused water. Cinnamon-infused water is a remarkable choice when it comes to managing blood sugar levels effectively. This humble spice, with its active compound cinnamaldehyde, acts almost like a natural ally to insulin by making cells more responsive. This enhanced responsiveness allows your body to absorb glucose more efficiently, resulting in better fasting blood sugar levels and improved glucose control after you eat. But the benefits of cinnamon extend beyond sugar management. It also plays a vital role in promoting heart health by lowering LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, which is especially important for those with diabetes who are often at increased risk of heart issues. Moreover, cinnamon has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which can be a blessing for anyone dealing with diabetic neuropathy or nerve damage. These anti-inflammatory effects help in reducing the discomfort and symptoms associated with such conditions, supporting overall metabolic health. The antioxidants in cinnamon also offer protection against oxidative stress, a significant worry for those managing diabetes, as this stress can damage cells and worsen diabetic complications over time. Making cinnamon-infused water is simple and convenient, fitting easily into your daily routine. Just add half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon to a glass of warm or room-temperature water and let it steep for a while. This allows the flavors to blend well and the compounds to infuse. You can enjoy this comforting drink as is, or if you prefer a touch of sweetness, add a teaspoon of honey. Just remember to be cautious about sugar consumption, especially if you're managing diabetes, and adjust according to your dietary needs. Embracing cinnamon-infused water is not just about enjoying a flavorful drink. It's also a smart step towards better health and well-being in your diabetes management journey. 3. Spinach and chia seed smoothie. The spinach and chia seed smoothie is not just a delicious start to your day. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that can aid in managing diabetes. Spinach, with its high magnesium content, plays a crucial role in supporting insulin sensitivity, which helps your body use insulin more effectively. Alongside this, the antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin found in spinach combat oxidative stress, which is a significant factor in many diabetic complications. By alleviating oxidative stress, you can help regulate blood sugar levels and support overall metabolic health, creating a more balanced system. Chia seeds complement this perfectly, being packed with fiber that slows down digestion and prevents those fast, unwanted blood sugar spikes. This is incredibly beneficial when it comes to maintaining stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Furthermore, chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Reducing inflammation is vital for managing complications associated with diabetes, such as cardiovascular issues, nerve damage, and kidney problems. By incorporating chia seeds into your morning routine, you not only address inflammation, but also aid in feeling fuller longer, which can support healthy weight management, another key component in diabetes care. Creating this smoothie is simple and quick, fitting easily into your morning routine. Just blend together 1 cup of fresh spinach, a tablespoon of chia seeds, half a cup of unsweetened almond milk, and a few ice cubes for a refreshing boost. If you're looking to increase the nutrient content or add a bit of sweetness, a small banana or a handful of berries are excellent additions that keep everything natural and healthy. This smoothie offers a vibrant mix of flavors and nutrients, setting a positive tone for the rest of your day while strategically helping you manage diabetes. Indulging in something so beneficial feels truly rewarding and demonstrates how simple dietary choices can have a profound impact on your health and well-being. If you're enjoying this video and finding the tips helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all our latest content. We'd also love to hear from you. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop a comment below and let's chat. Your feedback and interaction mean a lot to us. 4. Turmeric milk, golden milk. Turmeric stands out as an exceptional choice for managing diabetes, largely due to its star ingredient, curcumin. This powerful anti-inflammatory compound plays a key role in enhancing insulin sensitivity, which means your body can utilize insulin more effectively and keep those pesky blood sugar spikes at bay. But turmeric doesn't stop there. It's also a great ally for your heart, reducing inflammation and aiding in healthy blood circulation. 2 benefits that are incredibly important for anyone dealing with diabetes. What makes turmeric truly unique is its ability to inhibit enzymes that break down carbohydrates. This action slows down sugar absorption, preventing those sudden blood sugar highs after meals, which can be crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Consistent intake of turmeric can lead to improved glycemic control and even lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, making it a must-have in your dietary routine. To whip up this health-promoting drink, start by heating a cup of almond or coconut milk until it's warm. Whisk in a teaspoon of turmeric powder to infuse the milk with its beneficial compounds. Adding a pinch of black pepper might seem like a simple step, but it's actually key to enhancing the absorption of curcumin, ensuring your body gets the most out of this golden spice. If you have a sweet tooth, feel free to add a touch of honey or maple syrup. But remember to keep an eye on the quantity to manage sugar intake carefully. Savoring this soothing concoction not only introduces a warm, comforting start to your day, but also infuses your routine with a strategic boost for managing diabetes. It's amazing how such a simple drink can become a cornerstone of your approach to better health, making a positive impact on your life day by day. 5. Apple cider vinegar with water. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is a well-known natural remedy, especially when it comes to controlling blood sugar levels. It does wonders by enhancing insulin sensitivity, which helps your body efficiently use the insulin it produces. This can significantly reduce unwanted blood sugar spikes, especially after eating, which are a common challenge for those managing diabetes. A unique benefit of incorporating ACV into your daily routine is its ability to make you feel fuller for longer periods. This helps with portion control and weight management, two critical aspects of a diabetes-friendly lifestyle. To make the most of apple cider vinegar, simply mix 1 tablespoon of it in a glass of water and drink this mixture before meals. The tangy flavor might take a little getting used to, but it's versatile enough for you to add a splash of lemon juice if you want to enhance the taste while gaining additional health benefits. This small adjustment to your mealtime routine can pave the way to better blood sugar control and overall wellness. It's remarkable how such a simple ingredient can have powerful effects, turning your daily habits into proactive health measures. By making ACV a part of your daily ritual, you're not only supporting your body's natural metabolic processes, but also taking an active step toward managing diabetes with grace and confidence. The simplicity of this approach makes it an accessible option for many, and the benefits are certainly worth the effort, offering a natural way to support your health and well-being. 6. Beet juice. Beet juice is a remarkable beverage that can play a significant role in managing and even reversing some symptoms associated with metabolic syndrome, a major risk factor that often leads to diabetes. The natural compounds found in beets have been shown to help control sudden spikes in blood sugar levels, making it an essential addition to your daily diet if you're aiming to keep diabetes at bay. Beyond its blood sugar regulation benefits, beet juice is also packed with nutrients that support overall circulatory health, which is particularly important for those at risk of or living with diabetes. Drinking beet juice once a day can contribute to a well-rounded approach to managing your health effectively. To prepare this health-boosting drink, you'll need just a few simple ingredients: 1 beet, a cup of water, and 3 mint leaves. Start by peeling the beet. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable texture in your finished juice. Cut the beet into small, manageable pieces, allowing it to blend evenly without overworking your blender. Add the beet pieces to a blender along with the fresh mint leaves and a cup of water. The mint leaves not only add a refreshing flavor, but also complement the health benefits with additional antioxidants. Blend everything together for about 3 minutes until you achieve a smooth, vibrant mixture. Once done, strain the juice to remove any pulp. This step ensures a pleasant drinking experience while retaining all the powerful nutrients that beets and mint have to offer. With the juice strained and ready, simply pour yourself a glass and enjoy this invigorating drink. Incorporating beet juice into your morning routine is a delicious and proactive step toward maintaining balanced blood sugar levels and supporting your overall wellness journey. Incorporating these powerful drinks into your morning routine can significantly impact your ability to manage blood sugar levels effectively, while also supporting heart health and reducing inflammation, key factors for anyone living with diabetes. These natural beverages not only offer a beneficial boost to your daily regimen, but also serve as a delicious way to nurture your well-being. Staying consistent is crucial. By integrating these drinks into your everyday habits, along with mindful eating and lifestyle choices, you're taking proactive and informed steps toward achieving a healthier, more balanced life. Every small change adds up and contributes to your long-term health journey. Remember, the journey to wellness doesn't have to be overwhelming. By making simple, positive adjustments, you can gain better control over your health and thrive. Thank you for being with me today as we explored these beneficial drinks. If you found this video helpful, please consider exploring other content on our channel that delves deeper into diabetes management and healthy living. We're here to support you with tips, insights, and inspiration. Stay connected, stay committed to your health, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to take a look, and let's continue this journey together toward a healthier future. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate your support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.